How to clear iPhone clipboard. So first, what you want to do is just go to any messaging app or any text app that you have. So I'm just going to go to notes right here, and let's say I copied my password just like so. And once I've pasted it on whatever I pasted it in onto, right here, I'm just going to paste it. And let's say I want to delete it so that my sensitive information will not be compromised. So I'm just gonna type in anything or just any type of word that you want to, so that it can delete or clear the iPhone clipboard. So once I've pasted it, I'm just gonna paste it right here. As you can see, my password will now be cleared from my clipboard, which also makes it better for your security and safety.